Good morning, my dear children. Coming back to your SST class, yesterday we have completed the first lesson of geography. Near about 50% we have completed. Today I'll start the last part of explanation to you all of lesson 1, continuing as I have stopped yesterday. So we will start from the other planets. So till now we have learned that Earth is a part of a solar system. Solar system is a family of the sun where 8 planets are there along with Earth, and Earth is the only planet where life is sustainable. Life can sustain because of the presence of huge amount of water and all the required gases including oxygen. Okay, so now we have learned about galaxies, constellations, sun, planets, their formations, their orbit, about Earth, and now we will shift to the other planets. So now, yesterday we have learned about rotation and revolution. I hope the matter is clear to you all. Okay, so the other planets, on the other 7 planets on the solar system except Earth, there are 7 planets remaining. 3 are made up of rock like the Earth. 3 planets are made up of rocks like Earth. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars. What are they? Mercury, Venus, Mars. Once again, Mercury, Venus and Mars. While 4 of them are made up of gases. So, excluding Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, what else are left? Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Once again, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are made up of gases, and Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars made up of rocks. So, the whole 8 planets are divided into 2 sections mainly. First, made up of rocks. Second, made up of gases. Okay. Now, coming to the next point, that is satellite. Now, what is satellite? Just like the planets are revolving in the space, satellite also revolve in the space. But those satellites are natural or artificial. Either they are natural or artificial. Natural satellite of the sun, of the earth is moon. Natural satellite of the earth is moon. Okay. Just like as planets revolve around the sun, there are heavenly bodies that revolve around some planets. These are known as satellites. So, planets revolve around the sun and satellites revolve around the planets. Satellites like planet do not have light of their own. As usual, just like planet, satellites also do not have light of their own. Some planets like Jupiter, Mercury, Venus have, Jupiter have 67 satellites. Earth have 1 satellite. But Mercury, Venus has no satellites. ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे planets का अपना अपना सैटेलाइट होता है. कुछ planets का होता है, जैसे अर्थ का सैटेलाइट है मून, और जुपिटर का 67 सैटेलाइट्स, उसका खुद का, उसका अपना. क्लियर? एंड सो बट मरकरी और वेनस, इन 2 planets का कोई सैटेलाइट नहीं है. Do you all understand? Okay. Now moon. Just now I have told you, moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. So let's see what exactly moon is made up of. The moon is the Earth only satellite. It lies around 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. What is it? 3,84,400 kilometers away from Earth. It takes 28 days to spin around its own axis. जैसे अर्थ अपनी एक्सिस में सन के बाजू साइड में घूम रहा है, उसी तरह से मून भी अपने एक्सिस में अर्थ के चारों तरफ घूम रहा है। और जब ये तीनों एक रो में आ जाते हैं तब एक्लिप्स होता है, ग्रहण, फॉर्मेशंस चेंज होते हैं, दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन लेटर। एनीवेज, तो as because the two of them are moving around their axis, it may happen that both of them will come in just like this, parallel. ठीक है, okay. It takes 28 days to spin around its own axis, and it takes same amount of time to complete one rotation. 28 days in completing one revolution and 28 days in completing one rotation. As a result, the same side of the moon faces Earth all the time. इसी वजह से मून का एक ही साइड हमेशा अर्थ के साइड में रहता है। अर्थ भी घूम रहा है, मून भी घूम रहा है। अगर ऐसा होता है दैट अर्थ इज नॉट मूविंग, मून इज ओनली मूविंग, तो मून का सारा साइड दिखाई पड़ता है। बट मून भी घूम रहा है, अर्थ भी घूम रहा है, ये दोनों एक साथ घूम रहे हैं, तो देखो एक ही साइड आ रहा है ना। सो इस साइड के लोग यही साइड देखेंगे, इस साइड के लोग यही साइड देखेंगे, इस साइड के लोग यही साइड देखेंगे। तो द थिंग इज लाइक दैट। रिसेंटली द मून हैज़ बीन फाउंड टू हैव स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन द एटमोसफेयर। बहुत जल्दी, अभी कुछ ही दिनों में पता चला है दैट मून इज ऑल्सो हैविंग वाटर इन इट। दैट्स ऑल अबाउट मून। यू सी पिक्चर्स आर गिवन ओवर हियर. You can have a look in your book, page number 100. Pictures are there about the recent pictures taken by the satellite of the moon. Okay, what are the other heavenly bodies? Space में बहुत कुछ है जो हम लोगों के नज़र में आता है और नज़र में नहीं भी आता है. For example, planets are there, we rarely see. अच्छा, satellites are there, we rarely see, but they exist. Okay. Now, stars are there that we can see. Except these, there are some more heavenly bodies. They are planet, satellite, smaller bodies which move around the sun. Some more heavenly bodies are there. They always keep on moving around the sun. Apart of planets and satellites and stars, there are some more things in the universe which move around the sun. Let us see what are they. They are asteroids, comets, meteoroids. What did I say? Asteroids, comets and meteoroids. Now what are asteroids? Asteroids are the big rocks. बड़े बड़े पत्थर के chunk of rocks, big pieces of rocks, जो explosion के वक्त they came out and from then they are moving. Continuously they are moving. And they are moving in a specific way because of the gravitational pull of the sun. Comets are the frozen ball of dust. অনেকটা ধুলো ময়লা বা অনেকটা মাটি ধুলো dust, when they compose together and they become freeze like thing and they become solid, that is comet. That is comet. Asteroids are the big stones. Comets are the frozen balls of dust, water and very small rocks. And meteoroids are the pieces of comets or asteroids moving around the sun. Now, explosion is continuously going on in the space. All time there is explosion. Explosion के चलते जो piece comets से और meteoroids से निकलते हैं, they become, sorry, comets और asteroids से निकलते हैं, they become meteoroids. Let me explain once again. Asteroids are the big stones which are revolving in the atmosphere space. Comets are the frozen part of dust, water and very small rocks. Now, these are continuously moving. और इस मूविंग के चलते वहाँ पर जो केमिकल रिएक्शंस हो रहे हैं सन के अंदर, उसमें तो एक्सप्लोजन्स हो रहे हैं ना, तो वही एक्सप्लोजन जब व्हेन दे अफेक्ट दीज कॉमेट्स और एस्टेरॉइड्स, देन कॉमेट्स और एस्टेरॉइड्स ऑल्सो बर्स्ट आउट, दे ऑल्सो हैव explosion and due to this explosion, pieces of their part comes out from their big body. Those small pieces are called meteoroids. Now the thing is clear? Okay. That's it. Here ends your lesson and then starts your exercise. I hope the chapter is clear and distinct to you all. If you have any doubt, let me know. I'll definitely clear out your doubts without any delay. And by the time go this part thoroughly, nicely, try to follow each and every line of the chapter. Don't leave out. अरे चलो ये तो पता है, छोड़ो नहीं पढ़ना, दूसरा पार्ट पढ़ो. Don't do this. अभी अगर तुम लोग ठीक से नहीं पढ़ोगे तो you will have problem in your senior classes. Okay? So just go through it very minutely, very nicely. Any doubt, make me know or let me know. I'll repeat the same part once again. Till then, take care, be healthy, and go through your book very nicely. I'll come back with you very soon along with the exercise and question answers. Bye bye.